Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike. You've got a bonus unboxing here tonight because I'm so excited about this unboxing. I can't resist any longer. I need to show you people what is in this package because this is a Valentine's one. It looks really nice online. I just want to give a massive shout out to Crafts with Hannah or Crafting with Hannah. She very kindly did a Amazon giveaway and I won the giveaway, and this is what I purchased, Hannah. So I know you've been eagerly awaiting to see this too. So I think we better get into it because I've been like last night trying to you know when you're like, I want it now. So yeah, let's get into it. And it's a bit weak stick, but is it a rolled one? Oh no, we've got a rolled one and a flat one. So in here, Paula, you're gonna love this because we have a gonk one. Now these two, you see the pink guys, look at all this pink. I'm gonna save the best one till last, but in here, first time I've been looking for like Valentine's ones just to see if I can squeeze a little bit more in because we've still got 2 weeks and I wanted to squeeze a little extra few in just to sort of like use up the live streaming if we can, because I want to sort of alternate it so that we don't keep doing swans all the time. It will be the majority of swans, but I just wanted to get a few more in. Now this popped up. I'm not finding very many on Temu that I like, so I thought I'll stick with Amazon. This one turned up and it is a beautiful cow. Look at that. Oh my days, that is absolutely gorgeous. She's so adorable. Isn't this cute? Oh, this is lovely. You've got all the little hearts going round, that lovely splash of pink, and she's holding a rose there for her boyfriend. So, yeah, this is absolutely gorgeous. 30 times 30, 20 colours. The weird thing is that I actually sent this to the post office, but because I'm filming over at my office, because I'm going to Chelmsford tomorrow, I was like, I'm not going to get back in time. So last night I managed to quickly divert it because I was staying over here for the weekend, which I don't normally do, but I didn't get over here Saturday until like 3-4 o'clock, so I thought I'd stay till Monday, and yeah, absolutely love it. So I was like, right, quick, see if I can divert it. I managed to divert it to here, and then literally just got in from work, and I thought, right, that's it, I'm showing you people. I can't resist, I cannot wait any longer. There's 20 colours there, but isn't it just gorgeous? It is really, really gorgeous. It's got like a candy cane sort of neck. I think there's like a neck scarf there or a bow. She's got these beautiful roses there. I think you might like this one, Angela, because it's got lots of pink in it, but you can't get any better than that, can you? I mean, it's just absolutely gorgeous. The flowers in her hair is beautiful. This is a really, really stunning canvas, and yeah, you wait till you see the next one. Boy, is it gonna blow your mind, people. Yeah, this one in here is a standard tray, no bags this time. And we'll put this over to one side. So, I do intend on doing this live. So, we might shuffle up the schedule next week. Because I feel like we get more done when we go live. So when you pre-record, you just do like the one session per day, but with live you get to do a little bit extra. So okay, we've got a random packet here of our 20 colour, and in here we have ourselves, we got a reddy colour, very nice shade actually, a black, we've also got ourselves a grey, a red. Oh, is that 666? Oh my god, it is, look, 666. Well. Oh, yes. Apparently, Tessa says that's the brightest red that you can get. We've got a chocolate movie colour. We have ourselves a beautiful sort of burgundy. We've got a pinky red. We've got a purple. Actually, no. That's more like burgundy, isn't it? Oh, dear. I'm so excited about the package. We got a green, an orange, a pinky colour, a peach, a sort of brownie colour. We got a sort of reddy colour, a pinky colour. We've also got ourselves a green and a pink and a sort of burgundy colour, a sort of don't know colour, and a white. So yeah, I think we've got 2 packets of them because this one fell off the thing. So we've got 2 packs of them. And oh my days, you wait till you see. This will probably be my last one now because we're now only 2 weeks away from the end of February. Paula, you are going to love this. Liz Harrison, you're going to probably love this. I thought it was a gong, but it's not quite a gong. And look at this, people. Happy Valentine's Day. Now, if you can't get a better painting than that, the words Happy Valentine's Day on a Valentine's Day painting, like, that has got to be the best ever. Like, and I love the fact it's flat, but this one I actually saw last year, but I didn't buy it because we ran out of time. But in here, look at this. Oh my days, look at this. I mean, this is absolutely gorgeous. So what we've got here is we've got the words Happy Valentine's Day. We've got a love heart balloon. We've got the Tower of Paris. And I don't know what you would call that. Would you say that's a gong or a gnome? Because he's wearing sort of like the hat of a gong. So I don't know. It looks like a gong and it looks like a gnome. So I don't know. But let us know in the comments. But look how pink this is. This is absolutely gorgeous. You've got that lovely basket where he's like taking a gift to someone with the flowers, with the balloon in of the love heart. You've got the bike. You've got this lovely shady pink of the path. I mean, it's got a bike in it. I don't think I've ever diamond painted a bike before. And it's got the railing of the railing here. We've even got like some trees going on here. I mean, it is absolutely stunning. I think this is an orchid plant, maybe. But what I loved about this is the fact that I've always wanted a painting that has got the words Valentine's in, and this does it for me. You know, I don't think you can get a better painting than that. I think it's absolutely stunning. But just to have the words Happy Valentine's Day in it, I mean, it's a lovely image, isn't it? It's really nice and clear, and I would have had to, yeah, the stick's good. 27 colours. I would have had to wait an extra day, but I couldn't resist the urge, and sometimes you can alter the address if you act quick. The quicker you get that diverted, the quicker you can. If it's too far into dispatch, they won't divert it. So sometimes what you have to do is, if you've sent it to say like your home address, you can wait for it to be dispatched. A button will come up and send like, and it will say like send to pickup location. However, this was already at a pickup location. But luckily it wasn't dispatched yet. So if you've already sent to like a pickup location, for example the post office, you can't then re-divert it. Luckily I did it before it went into the dispatch process, so I managed to get it here early. I have got one other one, Hannah, but that's going to the post office, because I thought that one can wait. I'm not really that excited over that one. But in here we have our boat. We have 2 pens. And we've also got a squashy in this one. Wow. And oh my days, what in the world has happened to that wax? I mean, that is so like... Is it me or are they like toning down the wax? Because that used to be like a really dark pink colour. And look, my favourite placer, which is, well, it's actually a straightener, but I call it the Wales towel. Yeah, absolutely lovely. And you've got a multi-placer there as well. So... I think rather than stop looking at this glorious painting, let's get into the diamond painting drills. So yeah, I may have not got any Valentine's-y ones at the range. I'm actually quite gutted because there doesn't seem to be any like really Valentine's-y ones there. Which is a shame because it's supposed to be Valentine's. So, but Amazon is our supplier this year for Valentine's. Now in here we are going to have lots of lovely pinks. We've got that bright pink there. We've got a sort of darker pink, a sort of mauvey colour. We've got ourselves a sort of pastel pink there. And I can see there's a lot of dust in here. So we'll have to probably sort that dust out before we drill them, because it's all over the drill. So we might have to wash the drills or something. We've got a black here and a pinky red. And we've got... that sort of mauvey colour. You can see all that dust, look. It's actually not on the, you think straight away it's on the outside, but it's actually on the inside. So yeah, we might have to do something with that. We got the grey, the dark grey, a lovely bright pink. We got a red. We have, is that a 666? Number 11 is a 666. Yeah, man. Oh, yes. Look at that. 666, people. I get very excited when it's a 666 because they don't crop up very often. And when you've got it, that is the brightest red ever. And so, like, you need to have it in your painting. And then we've got a pink and a blue. It's like a sort of oceany blue there. We've got a pink, another mauve. I think the whole pack's pink. A pink, a sort of mauvey colour, brighter pink. We've got a purple and a mauve and a sort of lighter mauve. And we've got another pink and another mauve and a grey and another pink and another grey. And 2 lots of your dedicated 3865 people. 3865, 310s are your classic colours that pop up almost every diamond painting. So, that is our Valentine's unboxing. We have one more coming up soon, but I'm sorry, I just had to show you guys. Please, 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 if you like these paintings, do get them before they're sold out. The painting I got yesterday that will arrive a bit later, probably in the evening or something, that was only one left in stock, so I was really lucky to get that. So we have the Happy Valentine's Day, people, and we also have this beautiful, gorgeous, beautiful pink cow. Absolutely 2 fabulous paintings. I think one was $5.99 and the other was $4.99, so I got a really good deal. And the best part of it was I got it free of charge thanks to the giveaway brought to you by Crafting with Hannah. So these are what you bought, Hannah. Thank you very much indeed, lovey. So let us know what you think, because I know you've been eagerly awaiting to see this. So yeah, this will be only for this Monday. You'll get this evening, because I need to show you people. You need to get these paintings. But yeah, and also if you're a Prime member, you will get this next day as well, because obviously I'm Prime, so I get it next day. So I'm really happy. I'm over the moon with this. Absolutely, like, can't wait to get stuck in. As I say, these will probably be live. This one definitely will be live, because I've got about a week to try and get it done before the end of for Valentine's. So it's going to be a big push, but I think we'll try and see what we can do. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. Your next unboxing is on Friday. Unfortunately, there's no come shop with me this Friday because it's my brother's birthday, so I won't be able to travel to the shops because of birthday celebrations as well as Valentine's. So that will come up the next Friday, but you'll have an unboxing of a diamond painting unboxing instead, just for this Friday. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. Always tap that ring-a-ding-dong bell, and you can be notified as and when a video comes up onto the channel. And also, thank you very much to Angela McCabe, who has upgraded her membership, so she gets live streaming members only. So yeah, that'll be fun. If you want to become a channel member, the option's there. If you want to buy me something on my wish list, there's also that there, and also you can super chat me as well. So yeah, until then, thank you for watching, take care, and we'll see you on Friday for the next diamond painting unboxing, people. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Ta-da.